Okay guys, it is that time of year again, and I'm doing all my pre-season cleaning. And I know you guys have seen some of this in the past, but I have got to show you this again because no matter how many times I do it, it blows me away. So let me show you something that's going to happen right in front of your eyes. You're not going to believe what you're going to see. Okay guys, I love starting with this one because this one's always the worst. This one's the one that goes in the pump. And anyway, I will put it down in here. And this right here is called Erase Iron Stain Remover. And you just pour this in just a little bit, doesn't take a lot, and just watch it do its magic. Now I'm putting quite a bit in the water because I'm going to also do all my other pieces, and I'm just going to dunk them in. But anyway, look, this is not even 5 seconds, and look at how it's already cleaning it. It is just absolutely amazing. We'll give it just a little bit more time. Okay guys, about 30 seconds. Is that just absolutely amazing? I just can't get over that. I even had stains on my mesh, and look at how nice that did. I've never done the basket before, but wow, look at how that's finishing. Okay guys, just to show you there's no camera tricks, we're going to count this off. This is amazing. So we're going to go 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005. Well, hey guys, there you go. This is Erase by BioGuard. I am not sponsored by them, not being paid anything. This is just a great product for cleaning your stains. Right now, I have put 4 bottles of that in my pool, and it is currently working on my stains there. But I just had to show you how fast it works on the baskets. It's really something. Guys, have a great day.